What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bottom Bite, and tonight we're going to West Point Lake to catch some slab crappies and some slab average. You ready to do that, my friend?
Ready, man. Last time we went to West Point, we killed it.
Yeah. I mean, this lake produces monster fish and monster quantities of fish. And Georgia's just had about a 10-degree drop off in the weather. These fish are going to be crazy. Check it out. See you on the lake.
That's a nice one. I like that, buddy. Let's get you back in the water.
Careful.
Double header. Double header, baby. Double header.
Double header. Nice crappie on the boat.
Nice job, boys.
Yeah. Nice crappie, boys. You get some of that on camera, will you?
Alright, guys. So, what you want to happen when you're doing this, when you're using your green light, what you want to do is, right now we have about 1,000 minnows, 1,000 shad underneath this boat right now, circling our lights. And the crappie are staying right under them and picking off all the shad that are out of the school. So what we're doing is we're sending down our minnows maybe 10 feet, about 5 feet below the swarm, and the crappies are taking off our minnows because they're the ones that are the odd out of the pack. So I will not be surprised if we don't put 100 fish in this boat tonight. Bring them in, bring them in, bring them in. Nice crappie. Another fish on, look at that. Out here killing these boys out at West Point.
My first fish, boy.
Yes, sir. I told you I'd put you on. Look at this, pulling them in, guys.
Oh my God.
That right there is a slab crappie, and that's what West Point produces, slab crappie.
Choked it. Bottom bite fishing, baby.
Damn. Look at that crappie, dude.
Look at that. That thing's huge. Fucking slab.
Check out that crappie, dude.
There you go, another one in.
Another one in the boat.
You get a swallow?
They done ran them out, man.
Let's get a release of this guy.
Dude, look at this. I haven't seen one small hybrid yet. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Fish on. Hybrids need to calm down. Oh my God.
Holy cow.
A little bit.
It's getting beyond crazy.
That might, while you're playing it, might be a huge catfish. Don't let it surprise you. It's either a huge catfish or a huge hybrid, dude. One of the two. Not a huge catfish.
Oh, that's a hybrid. Oh God.
Don't let them break your stuff now, because they will.
Do we want to net? Do we want to net this guy?
Give me the net first.
Big net, big net.
No,
Green.
no.
Oh, well, that one?
Golly. Look at the size of that thing. Whoa, dude, he's heavy.
Yeah.
Dude, that's huge, bro. That thing's beyond huge.
That crappie just hit that thing hard. Are you kidding me, dude?
I'm telling you, man.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's why. Clean hook set.
Look at that nice crappie right there. Bringing them crappie so fast.
I'll be back in the game.
Nice little crappie.
Nice little crab.
Whoa. They get bigger than that, guys. Oh, shit. Look at that slab, dude.
Look at it.
Slab.
Look at that.
Slab crappie.
Oh, right there, dude. Slab.
Put that on camera, bro. Slab crappie, baby. Bottom bite. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Woo! Come here.
Grab that crappie. Just like that right there. Alright.
Nice, man. Boy. It's a good one. It's a hybrid, boys. Look at that rod bend. That's a big one. Bottom bite fishing, baby. That's a big one.
He's taking a drag, dude.
Yeah, he's gonna get my line.
You want me to reel your line up?
I gotta do it.
Hybrids are in, baby. Let him go.
Ooh, that's a hoss.
Yeah, he's a hog. Bottom bite fishing.
It's a nice hybrid, guys. Hook right through the draw line. Out it goes. Oh, oh, dude!
Same fish?
Both of our hooks. Oh, watch out!
What?
Holy cow! It's oldie, bro.
What?
That looks like a striper to me. Hold up. Is there? Oh no, that's a hybrid. Yeah, I see that.
You'll know. You'll know when he is sharp.
Oh, he's fighting.
This guy. Bottom bite, guys.
Get it, Gordon.
Oh, God.
Ooh,
David,
on that
come on,
dog,
come on.
Easy, easy. Come on again.
Woohoo!
That's a big hybrid too.
Look at that hook set on point.
Ever want to come fishing?
Bottom bite.
What's up, guys? Just got back to the house. It's about 8:15 in the morning. Me and my partner Danny took out our boys Adam here, Calix, our cameraman, to West Point. The temperature in Georgia just had about a 15 degrees drop, so the water had about a 10 degrees drop. It really ignited the fish to come up and feed. So I think what did we put? 33 crappie?
About 33 crappie and about 5 hybrid.
Yeah, 33 crappie, 5 hybrid, and we're talking slabs, guys. I mean,
Slab daddies.
we caught
Big
like
boys.
one fairly passable throw in the cooler crappie, and you know this guy put about a 2-pounder on the boat. I put about a 1.5 pound crappie on the boat. We had about, what'd you say? Probably about 10 or 20,000 shad, maybe even more around the boat.
Easily, for sure.
Yeah, we spent $35 at the bait store on shiners for no reason, because when the shad are there, you know that is the best live bait you could ever use.
We literally sat there and just scooped bait fish all night.
Yeah. So anyways, let's show you all. This is the crappie load, and that's with about 20 breakoffs too. We had a lot of fish get off the lines last night. You know, our hybrid, we don't. Me and Danny have kind of came to a thing where we don't like to keep hybrid anymore. The taste is okay on them. It's not really like crappie. But if we foul hook the fish, then we will keep the fish, because the fish is going to die anyways.
Right.
We'll fillet the fish. We'll eat the fish just because,
A lot of people don't like hybrid, and a lot of our friends don't want them, and we don't really see a point in keeping them because a lot of people don't like eating the bloodline in them.
Right.
So we try to throw them back. If we catch them in the throat, we'll keep them. But if we lip them, we'll throw them back.
And again, always remember, no matter what fish it is, some fish more than other fish, always cut your bloodline out when you're filleting these fish. I mean, if you catch red snapper down in the Gulf and you don't take their bloodline out, you're not eating snapper. So,
Right.
But anyways, we tore them up, man, and we should be going back down the West Point in a couple weeks. We'll do this again. Me and Danny out.